Hello people, just another video. Just going to do a quick thing about appeal process. If you're a person who likes to go to court or a legal situation and you don't take representation and things don't go your way, then you should hardly be surprised. After all, you're in a foreign environment with foreign rules and jurisdictions and procedures and cultures and customs. If you do dip your toe into that way of doing things and you find yourself in a position where perhaps they're not out to get you quite as much as you think they are, because they show a good side of themselves one moment. It's like a domestic relationship, you know. Like imagine like the worst alcoholic you could be with. One day they might be placid, lucid, and lovely, and then the next day they might be violent, horrible, and aggressive. So it's almost like what you would say in Shakespearean terms is like the comedy and tragedy elements. You know, the heartbeat of a conversation, I think, is how it's sometimes referred to. It's like it goes up and down. It's like Romeo and Juliet. You know, oh, they're gonna get away and live together. Oh no, something bad's happened. Oh, they're gonna drink potions and everything's gonna be fine. Oh, he wakes up at the wrong time or whatever, and oh, Romeo's dead, and it's just a tragedy. So this is basically how court systems can work sometimes. When you think you've got the upper hand, and you let your guard down, is probably what I'm trying to say, or at least the best way of saying it. You let your guard down, and your faith is restored in your drunk husband who beat you 50,000 times before, but this time he really said sorry and really meant it. And so, yeah, if you find yourself in that situation and deciding to go back to said drunk husband, obviously I'm speaking in metaphorical terms here, then don't be surprised that the bottle will come back and he may lose his temper and smack you down again, particularly if you decide to employ representation. Putting this video out there as a very non-precise, airy-fairy descript of a situation that is happening. So I just want it to be on a YouTube record that I've made this video, so that, you know, if people were to go out there and seek to get, like, I don't know, let's say employ a barrister because they believe they're in a good situation to succeed in a foreign legal setting, then if it all blows up in your face, then at least I can say, I told you so.